Deleting a row of data from an SQLite table using DBeaver. So for this we are going to go into the table, create some new rows and then delete them. So let's first connect to our database, which is a SQLite database called mydatabase.db. Has a table called tablename. I will open out a new query against this and just run that with select all from tablename. Scroll down to the bottom to the end of the 3000 rows, and I see that it ends something like this, so I'm going to add 2 more rows to this using an insert statement like this. So here's one insert statement that inserts a row beginning with -200. And then after that I'm going to also insert another row beginning with -300 and also with similar values but beginning with 3. So now if I go to select all from this table and scroll down to the very bottom, I see these 2 new rows that I have created. And what I can do here is just check these rows out by themselves before I delete them individually. So this is the row that begins with -200, and this is the row that begins with -300. Now that I've identified them, I can use a very similar query to the select that singles those 2 rows out, but just using delete where the longitude is -2 and delete when the longitude is -300. And now if I go back to the select by themselves, I will see that the one beginning with -200 doesn't exist anymore. The one beginning with -300 also doesn't exist anymore. And I can go to the whole table, select all from the entire table and scroll down to where I had those 2 new rows that I created, and they are also not there anymore. So that's how you delete from an SQL database table.